For my next video, I'd like to do one on the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. They came out about a little less than a month ago, so I just picked these up. So as usual, let's go over the unboxing. And we've got 2 tabs, and then once the unboxing is over, we'll go through some tech specs. And you're going to get to see my Maine Coon cat, Otto, is going to have a pretty quick cameo here, and he tried taking off with the earbud tips. So anyway, we get weird packaging. It's like I didn't know if there was something in it or not. You can't really tell until you rip it open. So these are the spare tips, which the difference between the Pro, the way I understand it, is there's no tips, they're solid, and there's a little bit difference in the electronics too, so which we'll go over on the About page, or the About section here coming up. So that's really all we get. We get a quick manual and the actual earbuds, nothing else in the box. And let's go ahead and unbox these. So just as usual, pull the tab, open it up, and there they are. Very nice see-through magnetic case. There's your charging port, USB-C, along with like a reset button. It has a nice magnetic click to it, and let's see if we can get Otto in the screen here. He wants the tips, which, yeah, don't eat my tips. Say hello, Otto. Hi. Okay, you can go now. Okay, so we'll open them up, and we have left and right sides. The way I understand it, which I haven't really messed with these yet, they have a lot of AI gestures. He's still trying to get into the shot here, so look at that. What do you think? Okay. There's quite a bit of AI gestures with this. You can nod your head, you can turn your head, stuff like that, and it'll do things that you program it. So here's how I paired them. I just went into, I imagine there would be a simpler way, but I always do things the old-fashioned way. So go in my Bluetooth, go down to the bottom, and click on Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, and bang, they're paired. So there's really, and then you have to go through all the agreements. You can just hit one and agree, and then that's control your earbuds with gestures. That's what I was talking about. Answer decline calls by moving your head, which that'll be a neat setting. If you get a phone call, you can nod and whatever. So that's the unboxing. So let's get into some tech specs now. So these were released March 11, 2026 as a premier successor to the Buds 3 Pro, which is going to be new to me because I have the Buds 2, so I'm about 2 generations behind, so this will be a nice upgrade for me, I hope. These flagship earbuds feature a redesigned canal fit blade designed with a lush material and focus heavily on AI-driven features. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are built for deep immersion in high fidelity audio, I can't speak, specifically optimized for the Samsung ecosystem. Audio quality features an enhanced two-way speaker system, 11mm woofer plus a 5.5 planar tweeter, and supports 24-bit or 96 kilohertz high-res audio via the Samsung Seamless Codec, the SSC. So you can activate noise cancellation, utilizes adaptive ANC 2.0, which intelligently adjusts to your environment in real time. Its AI integration includes Galaxy AI features like real-time interpreter translation and hands-free voice commands. Users can also accept or decline calls using head gestures, nodding or shaking. Durability, it's IP57 rated for dust and water resistant, making them safe for immersion in up to 3 feet of fresh water for 30 minutes. here's the neat part, not that the rest isn't. Battery life offers up to 6 hours of playback with ANC on, 26 hours total with case, and up to 7 hours with ANC off, or 30 hours total. So it's got quite a good battery life on them. I know there's some headphones out there that are really amazing with some battery life, so I think Samsung has got on that boat and is going with some good battery life to keep these going. So I'm going to mess with this. I might make another video on some of the settings of the app and actually how they sound. Of course, I wish I could display that somehow and how they sound, but I imagine since they're 2nd gen and I like my earbuds 2, these are surpassed the earbuds 3 and now we're on the 4 Pros. I imagine these are going to be pretty amazing. So okay, and I'll also put a link in the description on where you can buy a pair of these. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.